You know what I really like about that, dude, is that inadvertently you create business without being all about me. Hey, look at me. You
Mm-hmm.
know what I
Just a
mean?
message. It's just a
Yeah.
strong message. Yeah.
And I think that's always a better strategy. Pulling customers in is always better than pushing your agenda on your prospects.
Yeah, none of it was like, come buy a car for me. It was literally just my name. My name was enough to do that. I gave them a flyer with that QR code where they can scan and see what their car's worth. I just kind of set that out there. So if they wanted to pick that up, they could. But just small things like that. But now you could post that on Facebook. Now you can say, hey, here's what we're doing. Now, it's contagious. Other people are going to be like, oh, and then somebody might mess around and ask you about a car. And then that's your point.
Yeah. So cool.
Well, I think that it creates there's a moral factor to it, like a trust factor that creates long-term customer base instead of, like, to your point, if you're just pushing everything onto people and you're like, look at us, we're so great. But if you're just going out there and feeding
you're
people,
just doing it in
care of people, they trust you.
The problem we have, Charity, a lot of these salespeople will try something, get nothing out of it, and then say it was an epic fail, and it's not. Right. It's not a fail. I mean, it's not a overnight sensation. It's not going to happen overnight. I mean, I might have to do that 3 times, 4 times, 5 times before I actually get some kind of recognition or some kind of reciprocated sale from it. So, but my mindset is not to go there.
But then it goes back to what's the motivation, right? If somebody's just doing it because they want sales out of it, then
that's what a salesperson initially thinks. That's what they think. They think that I'm going to go to a charity event and I'm going to go there and there's going to be 2,000 people, but I should sell 5 cars. And you come out of there and you got nothing. And then they're like, oh, well, that was a waste of time. Not thinking, okay, let me just go there and make 5 friends and then see where those 5 friends lead to another 20 friends next time. And then next time I might be on stage talking. And by the 4th time, everybody's coming to me, asking me about cars. I'm not mentioning anything. That's how it works, but it takes years. I mean, it's again, we plant the seed today to reap the benefits later. I mean, you're not going to get it in one visit.
Right.
No instant gratification, put it that way.
Yeah, I mean, with those types of strategies, and never is. I mean, if you're looking for that instant sale, then do a mailer or do something that's a little bit more, and
non-relationship,
1 or 2 out of that.
Non-relationship based.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.